I was hungry when I woke up. So I took me a quick shower and I got in here and I made me peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Peanut butter. Oh my God. This jelly.
But we're going to elevate it a little bit. We're going to grill it and we're going to use bacon on it. So essentially we're going to call this a PB&J BG. BG for the bacon and grilled. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, let's get started with the PB&J BG. So I really don't even need to do this. You all know what goes on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Like I said, we're going to elevate it a little bit with some bacon and we're going to grill it. So, of course, we got our peanut butter. I like the creamy. You can use whatever kind you like. I like grape jelly. You can use whatever kind you like. A little bit of butter here. And I'm using sourdough bread for this one. So, real simple ingredients, guys. Nothing special. But grilling it and adding the bacon is definitely going to elevate it and bring out some of the flavors in the peanut butter and the jelly. We're going to start by cooking up some bacon. And I'm over here at the Still Made USA griddle. And you guys know I love this thing. So, if you want one of these, all you have to do is click on the link in the description. Go down, click on that. It'll take you right to the website. If you use Big Tone in your checkout as the product code, you'll get 10% off. Real simple. But guys, I love this thing. So go ahead and pick one up. Alright, so we're going to put on some bacon back here. And put the other pieces up here in front. I don't want to crowd it. Alright, so we got our bacon on. We're going to fry this up. And then we're going to construct the sandwich and grill it. So I just wanted to show you the beautiful job that the Still Made USA griddle does on bacon. Look at this. This is beautiful. Just put that on some paper towel. Over to the side. Flip this one over. Bring this one down here. These two are done. This one's done. We're going to bring them all down to here so we can cook the last three here. Going to put on some peanut butter on my sourdough bread. Spread it nice and evenly. Put just a tad bit more on. There we go. Then we're going to go in with our jelly. Like I said, you use any type of jelly or peanut butter you want. It's totally up to you. You know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Spread this on the bread nice, and I'm going to put a little bit of jelly on it. Yep. Alright, from there we're just going to put our bacon on. Put about 5 pieces on each one. Each sandwich. And we're just going to put it together just like this. And I'm going to meet you over to the grill. We're just going to plop the sandwich down, the side that's not buttered first. Put it right there on the grill. We're going to grill that up nice and brown. Alright, so that's been on for a few minutes. We're just going to simply flip it. Ah, look at that. Oh, nice and beautifully brown. I'm going to take my bacon press. I'm going to put a little weight on it. Smush it down just a little bit. And we're going to come back here in just a second. And I'm going to plate it up on a plate for you. Just like heaven. There you guys go. Look at this. Woo-hoo! Nice and grilled up. Put it right here on this plate. Take it over there. We're going to plate it up on another plate for you and cut it. So there you have it, guys. PB&J BG. B for bacon, G for the grilled. And you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Didn't take me a few minutes to do it. Oh, and that grilledness really elevates it. And of course the bacon does. Bacon makes everything better. PB&J BG. And you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Man. This is something awesome. Just the fact as grilled in that bacon, it takes it to another level. And guys, remember, if you want one of the Still Made USA grills, just click on the link in the description. It'll take you right there. Use Big Tone as your product code when you check out. You get 10% off. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.